Hey guys, welcome back to Simply at Home. Vanakkam, welcome back. Inniki it is day 1 of the Fly Lady system. Day 1 baby steps la enna solranganna shine your sink. Adu onnu da homework. Shine your sink every day. Idu theriyada Ramya namakku, don't we know this, right? So of course we know this. But there are so many other things. I'm sorry, I should cut this out. So there are so many other things which are part of Fly Lady system. Makarlamu irukku. But before I'm starting with this week, in the week Fly Lady system la shine my sink, and I have shined as promised. I'm not going to be showing how it was, how it is now and all. So, coming from India, being part of our roots and traditions, cleaning the entire kitchen is a must. So, this is the Western point of view, but still, today, in today's lifestyle, sometimes we choose sink, apartment mode, and all those things. Why we were told traditionally to clean the entire full kitchen full kitchen muriki. In fact, if it is mud based or red oxide na sani ella potu murukuvanga for antioxidants and all those things. So there will be a whole, it was an independent, it used to be independent houses, so it was possible. Being in the city or being in apartments or even in towns, is it practically possible to clean the entire kitchen? Now, why it is not a new thing for us abdina, and for the future youngsters, ahadu abdinu onu solvanga, daridram or Lakshmi won't come. When they mean by Lakshmi, it's abundance. Any form of abundance is Lakshmi, technically. And when it's wealth, who doesn't want wealth of any nature? Is it not? So they will clean the entire kitchenette. Put kolam. Kolam is okay. Let's not go to that far. So traditionally, cleaning was a must. And as I'm cleaning my sink right now, it was a must. So why? One small parka, one cooked small piece is enough to attract rodents. Rodents na yeli varum, palli varum, karapamuchi varum. You will get cockroaches and lizards, which will try to feed on anything smelly. It will definitely come, right? We don't want those things. Do we want those poisonous stuff? It is said, I haven't done any testing, it is told to me that wherever lizard walks is also poisonous. Even rats, if it walks, you can just wash off. If lizards are walking, why will lizards come if there are cockroaches? So, so traditionally, a lot of things. And when it's dark is when these things will move, right? So, my take and my understanding is this. There could be other reasons like dark energies moving. I'm not getting into those kind of things. So cleaning the sink or cleaning it out, in fact it was mandatory for me ever since my childhood, and at least till COVID. So why am I even doing this and talking so much about it? So even up to COVID, there wasn't anything like grave emergencies. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, actually 3 o'clock is as good as Brahma Muhurtam. 3 o'clock kangardu Brahma Muhurtam nu solluva. Avlo time aanalum kitchen will be cleaned up, sink clean pannittu dhaan poven. Then we got into all this, lovely caregivers group, moms, you have to take care of yourself, are you having sufficient sleep, so on and so forth. Idi illama there were so many health things that were happening. So when we are caregivers and we just sit waiting for somebody to doze off and sleep, sometimes I have dozed off without cleaning the kitchen. So Yes, I have done that mistake. It's not that I haven't. There could be exceptions, but cleaning the sink, I think, is very basic. One is the first baby step. Second thing in the Fly Lady system is monthly goals. They have monthly goals. So this one particular month, January month's goal, also I'm going to take into account, which is nothing but for the entire month she's asking us to focus on clean your sink, clean it out, which means அவங்க சொல்றது என்னன்னா dishwashல load பண்ணுங்க and so on and so forth. So if sink is where you have to clean up, then put it in a different place, clean it out, move it to your washing area which you have for washing, or if sink is your washing area, then you might want to clean it up. And because the next day morning kitchen la vache, you want a lot of peace. You don't want to see rodents running around, right? எலி பல்லிலாம் ஓடிண்டு காலங்காத்தால் உங்களோட கப் ஆஃப் டீ அண்ட் காஃபியை உங்களுக்கு சாப்பிடணும் போல் இருக்குமாங்கிறத நீங்கள் யோசிச்சுக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, உங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கும் அதுதான் ஹெல்த் சென்டர். கிச்சன் இஸ் அ சென்டர் வேர் wellness begins. So shine your sink, let something not sprout and come from within the sink also. So another important tip that she gives is to use hot water. Hot water போட்டு க்ரீஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டு எடுங்க and all those things. நம்ம டெய்லி பண்ணோம்னா ஹாட் வாட்டர் போடணுங்கிறது அவசியம் இல்லை. So saying that, in the series I'm signing off. I know I've taken a long time to explain this. See you next week with day 2. Day 2 ஓட next week பார்க்கலாம். Saying that, stay safe, happy, healthy and joyful. And join along this if you find this interesting, and put it in fast forward mode if you're already aware of these things, or just skip it. So day 1 is to shine your sink, and the January month or a habit is also shine your sink. Alright, whether I was able to do all the 7 days, I will update next. Bye bye.